Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can get ChatGPT on your Discord. At first just search in ChatGPT Discord on your Google Chrome and then click on this first one and then just click on accept invite and then go to continue to Discord. And it says welcome to ChatGPT. So you can do this. I'm just going to click on all of the above and then just finish. After that, what you gotta do is just click on ChatGPT 1 and it says you must complete a few more steps. So just click on complete and then I have read and agree and then click on submit. Head over to the text section. Just type in @ChatGPT and then say write me an article on earthquakes in 200 words. Once you hit enter, you can see this loading option, which means ChatGPT has seen it and is going to react to it, and it's taking some time to load it. But once it does, your article will be loaded and you can just copy this and put it to wherever you want to, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.